Hey guys, welcome back. I thought I would try to do a couple of tutorials for you on some of the behind the scenes things that get done for when you're creating YouTube videos or posting social media. Today I have to go in and I have to make a thumbnail for one of my YouTube videos. So I create my own thumbnails. I don't use the pre-picked ones from YouTube. I like to create my own titles. And the program I use is Canva. And it's canva.com, and they have a free and they have a paid version, and the free version is very good for starting out and learning as you go. They've got some templates already set up that you can kind of work with. I did upgrade after a year. I've upgraded to the premium, which is $12 a month, just because I want to put that investment into my business at this point now. YouTube's important to me, and I wanted some of the extra graphics and features. So what I'm getting ready to do is I'm getting ready to edit a flea market shop with me, but before I do that, I need a little cover photo. So here we are on Canva, and I'm gonna go to create a design, and I want to create a YouTube. You want a thumbnail because that is going to be the small picture. This is where you can do your banners and stuff, but we're just gonna do a thumbnail today. So we're gonna say we want YouTube thumbnail. And this is giving me a blank screen. Now here they have some suggested like pre-made ones if you want to use one of those. So my video is about the flea market. Let's just see if they have anything flea market style. I don't see anything. Or you can go over here. So I'm going to take you through this left side here real quick. So if you start with a blank canvas, you can upload your own image to add. You can go through their grouping of photos that they have that you can use. The ones that say pro are for, like, I have the upgraded subscription, but others are free that you can use. So let's just pretend flea market. Let's see if they have any cool, and look at all these flea market backgrounds. So if you didn't want to use a photo you had already from the flea market, you could, like, I could technically put this one in because I have the pro version. So I'm just going to throw this image in, and I'm going to just drag it to make it fit the whole thumbnail. And now we have a background. So if you don't have your own images, I'm going to show you how to create the thumbnail first, and then I'll also show you an option for if you have your own image. You could add elements if you want. Shapes, frames, stickers, people. I would say just come in here and play. You know, like say I want to add that. And I don't like this. I don't like this little swirl thing. Or maybe that's where I want my copy to be. But if I don't like it, this deletes it. If I wanted a second one, this duplicates it. This would lock it so it won't move. And I'm not sure what the link is. Maybe if you want to link it to something externally, I've not tried doing that. If you want to make it faded, if you want to copy the style and do something else with it, position. Over here you can play with the colors, but I'm just going to delete them. I just want to show you the very, very basics, and you can come in and kind of play with everything. So we have our photo, we have our background, we know it's the right size. Next we want some text. You can have big, medium, or small. I want large text. They also have some really cool pre-done ones over here that you can use too, as long as it's a free and not a pro. It's showing me all the pros because I have the pro version, but they do have free versions too. So this just put the title right here, if you guys can see my mouse. And I'm going to put shop with me at the flea market. And well, first of all, we can't really see that, right? So we're going to left click and highlight. And we're going to want to change that to like a white font. And I'm trying to click off it. And the white doesn't work well either. So let's go and play with some of the fonts and see if there's a color we like. That teal's kind of pretty, but it almost blends in. So I think I want to go back to the white. But what I'm going to do is up here they have this cool thing called effects. And this lets you choose the font. I can change the font if I want. See? And I actually like to use this font. It's kind of like a chalkboard style. So we're going to use that font. This lets you fix the size. This lets you change the color. You can underline it. You can make it all uppercase, center it. We want to add some effects, and I like this shadow effect. So I'm going to click that, and then right down here where it says color, I want to add black under it, and now you see it shows up better. So I want that to be my cover photo. So I'm going to be like, okay, I'm going to go up to the top here, and I'm going to click, and I'm going to put flea market shop with me cover image 327. That's just for my records. I'm going to hit download. And you can choose what file. I just use a PNG, and I hit download. And then you wait. And that's it, guys. So then if I go to like start, and I just like file explore. Sorry, it popped up on my other screen. You go to your downloads, and it's right there. And you would just upload that onto YouTube. But for this one, I decided I want to use my own photo because I like photos that sometimes are quirky or like capture something. So I'm going to go over here to uploads, and I'm going to upload media. And look, here it lets you do audio and videos, and I know that that's getting ahead of it. This is just, I want to show you a very basic how to make a simple thumbnail. So we're going to go upload media. I'm going to pick from my computer. And on my OneDrive, I have a folder for videos. These are all the ones I'm working on. And I have my cover photo right here. And I'm going to click to add it. And I thought this was just a very quirky photo, the body in the box. And I'm going to move this over here. Shop with me at the flea market. And I'm going to download. Now if I want to, when I'm done, if you want to use Canva, go to canva.com and create a free account. And once you do that, when you go to your home page, I can go to all of my designs, and these are all the designs I've done in the past that I can easily copy and paste. Excuse me. But that's it, guys. That was all I really wanted to do. I just wanted to show you a very basic, this is a quick, easy way to make a thumbnail for your YouTube page. I mean, this video is probably what, a minute, 2 minutes, and it gives it a nice, clean, professional look, and it's super simple to use. So I hope that helped you out. If it did, remember to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back with more tutorials and all the shop with me's and all that good stuff soon.